This week was rather active and other crucial events are lying ahead. Traders are waiting for the Fed monetary policy meeting that is already influencing the major currency pairs. What other events will shape the investor sentiment next week? To find it out, watch our video calendar for traders on InstaForex TV channel. Apart from the Federal Reserve, the Bank of Japan will also hold a monetary policy meeting next week. Recently, Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda expressed concerns about mounting uncertainty concerning the global economic outlook, which boosted the demand for the Japanese yen. If the national currency is too expensive, the central bank will be eager to take a milder policy stance, as Japan's economy is export-dependent. Thus, in an attempt to stimulate the economic expansion in the country, the bank may reduce the interest rate in order to cheapen the yen and raise attractiveness of the Japanese goods on the global market. Well, let's see what steps the Bank of Japan will take. Yesterday, market participants braced for the ECB interest rate decision, as the current economic conditions signaled the need of a rate cut. However, the European financial watchdog refrained from introducing drastic changes. On Tuesday, traders will absorb the preliminary inflation data from Germany. Analysts expect the price growth to slow down to 1.5%. It can be another signal for the ECB to revise its monetary policy plans, thus triggering another sell-off in the euro. The day after that, the CPI reading for the Eurozone economy will see the light. The forecast is negative, so this data may also put the euro under pressure. What's more, the preliminary GDP report from the Eurozone can also wind down the single currency. Experts anticipate further economic cooling. The gross domestic product is expected to expand by 1% in the second quarter in annual terms. Remarkably, the American currency is also likely to come under bearish pressure ahead of the Federal Reserve monetary policy meeting. Most experts anticipate that the FOMC members will cut the interest rate or announce intentions of doing it. However, there is also a possibility that the dollar will gain ground to mere expectations of a one-off monetary policy losing make the American currency attractive to investors. Elegantly, the rate cut is the first measure intended to offset a hasty rate hike last year. Anyway, the coming Fed meeting is going to be one of the most exciting financial events of late. On top of the above-mentioned event, traders should pay attention to the following publications. On Monday, reports from Japan and the United Kingdom will see the light. They will tell about the tendencies in the consumer sentiment. On Tuesday, the trade activity is likely to increase as Germany and the United States will deliver macroeconomic statistics. Early on Wednesday, a deluge of economic data will come. China will publish the PMI readings, Australia will release the inflation report, Germany and the United States will unveil the labor market data, while Canada will present the GDP statistics. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals.